How to deactivate your Instagram account. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Instagram application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here you need to just go with the account center. Under account center, you need to scroll down, go with password and security or personal details. Under personal details, you will have account ownership and control. Tap on it and tap on deactivation or deletion. Choose your Instagram and select deactivate account. Don't select delete account. Choose the first option. Tap on continue and you need to enter your password. So if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot password and then you can reset or recover your password. Or if you remember the password, then you need to enter the password and then go with continue. Once you go with continue, your account will be deactivated. That's how you can deactivate your Instagram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.